Are you okay? Get your tongue back in your mouth.
It's a peacock attacking itself in the mirror. Yay!
Cotton's turn. Oh, kitty. Oh. What did he get you?
Stanny, is that your brother?
Oh.
Is that a brother?
Want to smell?
Is that your brother?
I got your nose! I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back. There you go.
There you go, it's back.
Back. It's all done. Yeah.
You're so cute.